Create the ultimate navigational assistant with CTA Digital's Security Vehicle Dashboard Mount for tablets. Perfect for commercial and passenger vehicles alike, this sturdy mount base installs easily via a standard AMPS pattern, supporting a heavy-duty carbon fiber arm. This versatile stand can also be installed onto walls and tabletops for easy setups anywhere. At both the top and bottom ends of this arm are tension-adjusting ball socket joints to give you an enormous range of angle options, plus the means for portrait and landscape displays. Your tablet is secured inside the unique slide-adjustable tablet holder. The open-style holder design allows full access to your tablet's ports, buttons, and headphone jack for card reader compatibility. This mount is compatible with 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab S4 9.7, and more. This mount is also compatible with tablets in their cases up to 1.06 inches in thickness.